QUBT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at quantum computing and I'm just observing a pretty decent moving stock. To be very fair, it's still very biased towards the upside. I've done well over 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in the space. And generally looking at this, unless I see this shift here, randomly buying is just never going to be the option, to be very fair. So how's this going to look like? This is where we are. There you go. Bro, I'm waiting for the confirmation. This is actually quite sick of a position that we have. One last thing though, confirmation must be met, and if it's not, so I'm not going to trade. I mean, I've had made so many previous receipts on my YouTube channel, even in the Discord, so I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free.